All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I'm hoping that this case solves my case woes. This is an Aramid standing case and cover from Samsung. Now, this case right here cost 60 bucks. All the shuffling I did at the original time of purchasing my device, I could have gotten this free, but I guess I would rather just move on since I had to make some changes back then. So this case right here, again, I'm really hoping that this is the last straw, because if not, I'm going to move to I'm going to go ahead and grab the UAG case when it comes out, and then the VRS cases and test those out. But this comes in the same packaging as the leather case, just nothing to it. Little thin, some instructions and stuff like that. It tells you to go on like this when putting it on. That's about it. So let's put this aside, and we'll put it on the phone. I recently purchased the casemate. Not too impressed with it. We'll be junking that. So this case has a kickstand, as you can see here. It's plastic, so definitely be careful with that. They really skimped out on this. Like, I'm really disappointed that Samsung is charging $60 for this. This is just it's a ripoff, but they played it smart though. There's no options for this phone really at the moment. So now, aside from the price and aside from this being totally plastic, it actually looks really good. It's worth 60 bucks. Heck no, maybe $9. It's very thin, as we would expect, and I actually like that it's very thin because I don't really like to wear cases too much, and so this will be something that I think I'll be happy with more than likely. It's going to stay on because it snaps onto the device. It's got like these little curves to where it snaps on, so that'll be pretty good. This also should work with wireless charging because it's all plastic. But nonetheless, this is the kickstand. This is how they intend for you to use this case, and if you're going to have it open, it'll be like this. So let's pop it on. Got my Z Fold 2. Absolutely loving this device. Got to clean it up before you put it in there, folks. I actually like this color. I definitely don't like the bronze. So it goes on like this, and they want you to snap it on, just kind of ease it on like that. There it is. So it looks good for starters. It looks really nice. I'm pretty impressed with the way it looks. It definitely feels better than the leather case. So I bought the leather case as well, and I'm totally not happy with the leather case. I will be junking that one too. But let's pop it up here first like this. This is how it goes, and it's actually really stable like this. It is stable. This is a plastic stand, and I'm just so disappointed that Samsung. Come on, man. But you can watch movies like this, and I think this is going to be pretty nice. And if you're a person who likes to watch movies on the outside display like I do, you would actually close it and put it like this. Because I normally have mine watching movies in this orientation, but this kind of eliminates that, so I can just go ahead and use it like this. So that is the case. The camera is extremely recessed now. It's really tucked away inside of there, so there's no worries about you putting the device down like this. It actually sits up on the kickstand. The kickstand is a little bit higher than the back of the case back there. It's kind of see back where the camera is, kind of higher. But all ports and everything are going to line up because it's open really deep down here for the charging cable and the microphone down there, and then you got the microphone cut out up top. So honestly, of all the cases I've tested, I think this is probably it. I think I'm good with this. I will follow up more than likely with this. It's actually sturdy if you're putting it in the correct positions. If you're watching Samsung's way of doing this on their website, that is how they are using it. They're using it when they have it propped open with the stand down like that. So this is pretty interesting. I think now I have a way to stand it up. My only complaint is that it's extremely flimsy, and I got to be careful. I have to be careful. That's it. So there it is, the official Aramid case from Samsung. Is it worth 60 bucks? Nope. Did I have to buy it? Nope. And I paid the full 60 bucks for this. But you know, nonetheless, I wanted something to be on the phone when I step out. The front obviously will not be protected with this case, but I have a tempered glass coming in as well from Whitestone Dome, so look for that. And I think I'll be okay, because cases that cover all of it, the UAG case is the only case I'm really looking forward to when it comes to full coverage. That's it. And I think that's going to be the gist of it. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the official Samsung Aramid case, and Aramid case, however you want to pronounce it. It's actually the best one that I've tried yet. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.